Hi guys, this is just a quick video of just demonstrating how I've wired up my light bar to my truck. Now this is from Auxbeam and they've made it super easy to set up. They've got just a simple nut and bolt sort of sliding rail that's on the light bar, so it's really easy to bolt it to anything, your roof rack or your roof bars or anything like that. And then what I've done is I've got the cable running along the roof rack and then down the pillar here, just tucked underneath, and then we've got it running down the truck towards the battery, and then you've got the live wire hooked up straight there, and then you've got the earth just bolted on there as well. So really easy, nice and simple to set up, and then just cable tie it all nice and neat. And then I've just got it running back to the truck, tucked underneath, bit of trim here, up, overhead, and then it's just a nice and easy push button to turn it on and off. This light bar in particular also comes with a orange DRL, which is pretty cool. So if you want to hook that up on your daytime running lights, then that is an option as well. Here it is at night. You know, this light bar really shines, giving you powerful, clear visibility, whether you're off-roading on a track or just late night driving. It's a real game changer after dark. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you're after powerful, reliable lighting for your truck, this light bar definitely has you covered, whether it's for off-roading adventures or just late night jobs. Click the link below and get yours today and experience the difference for yourself.